Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing this delicious caramel cake. I'm starting off with 3 8-inch round vanilla cakes. I have some caramel buttercream and I have some Dulce de Leche caramel. Here I have some Biscoff cookies. In this bowl, I took a few cookies and crushed them. I'm just going to be using those for the side of the cake. And here I have some homemade caramel sauce. Okay guys, let's get into it. I have a little bit of buttercream that I placed on my cake board. This is the first vanilla cake and I'm just smoothing out my frosting. If you're interested in learning how to make caramel buttercream, I will link that video in the description box down below. I'm using an offset spatula and here I'm just smoothing out the Dulce de Leche caramel. And if you're not familiar with Dulce de Leche caramel, it is sweetened condensed milk that has been cooked down into a thick caramel. To make it easier to spread the Dulce de Leche, you might need to warm it up in the microwave just a few seconds so it's easier to spread. This cake was actually for my birthday, so I ended up making my own birthday cake, but I also wanted to share this with you all. If you're new to decorating, I thought this video would give you some great ideas. So here I'm adding my third and final layer, and just make sure you press on the cake so the cake isn't lopsided. Okay, so I'm applying a little bit more buttercream frosting onto the cake, and this is going to be the crumb coat. And basically a crumb coat is just a thin layer of frosting to lock in all the crumbs. And once you apply your crumb coat, you want to go ahead and place it into the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, you can see I'm using a smaller offset spatula, but since the height of the cake was pretty tall, I switched to a larger spatula. And you can find these spatulas at Walmart or Target, or you can even purchase them on Amazon. So I'm just taking my spatula and smoothing out the buttercream. And I'm just scraping a little bit off the top so my cake is even. So here is the cake out of the refrigerator. I'm going to apply the final coat of caramel buttercream frosting. If this is your first time frosting a cake, just remember to have fun. You're making this for your family and friends to enjoy. And guys, if you're interested in learning how to make this buttercream frosting, go ahead and check out that video. So once you add your final layer of frosting, you want to take a cake scraper and you just want to press it along the side of the cake and try to smooth it out as much as you can. This may take a few times to do just to get the sides smooth. So after I smooth the sides of my cake, I wanted to go ahead and chill my cake before I drizzle the homemade caramel sauce. So this is the cake out of the refrigerator. So I'm using a spoon to drizzle my caramel to the side of the cake. And you can put as much or as little caramel sauce as you want. Just a quick tip guys, if you just made this homemade caramel sauce, you need to let it cool to room temperature. Place it into the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. That way the caramel sauce will thicken up. You still want the right consistency to be able to drip alongside the cake. If you want to learn how to make this homemade caramel sauce, I have a video on my channel. I will put a link in the description box down below, and then I'll also put a card in. So after you watch this video, you can go ahead and check that out. And look how delicious this caramel looks. And guys, if you're interested in seeing more caramel desserts on my channel, just let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. I really do appreciate the subscribers that are commenting and watching my videos. I see that, and I just wanted to let you know I do appreciate you. So here I have my piping tip, and I'm just piping a border alongside the cake. And here I'm just placing my Biscoff cookies on the top of the cake. These Biscoff cookies are very delicious. They complement the caramel well. So I'm taking my crushed cookies and placing them alongside the cake. So there you have it, guys, a beautiful, delicious caramel cake. If you guys are interested in seeing this vanilla cake on my channel, just let me know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.